Welcome to Madeira's wild side. This is the hidden trail to Pico do Alto.
Welcome and good morning. There is always something magical about getting up early for a hike. The roads are quiet, the air is cool, and it feels like the island is still a little bit asleep, but it's always worth it. The light you get just before the sun breaks the horizon is unlike anything else.
Hello and good morning. Look at this beautiful background here. We are in a very beautiful valley. I lose my words because it's so nice in the background. Or is it Gregor? So we do a very good spectacular hike. For me, it's my favorite hike on Madeira. We try to find an alternative path. So follow us and yeah, let's see. It's already going into the wild. No warm up today. I feel the scratches on my legs already. It's not for everyone. That's why we're doing it. Okay, one fall and a few steps later, you see we are somewhere in a kind of jungle. We already reached a crossing where we have to decide to which direction we go. In the beginning on one side it was only not a cliff, but you know what I mean, a very steep path down. And now we arrived in the middle of the nowhere, so we can make already some decisions, hopefully finding a loop, fingers crossed. And let us take you on one of the most beautiful hikes of the beach path that I think I know on this beautiful island.
So beautiful views, but this is no easy hike. We are climbing a steep ridge, navigating narrow path, but the reward, I can tell you already, absolutely worth it. We start the most thrilling part of the hike. Here we are walking along the edge of the mountain where the trail becomes nothing more than a narrow strip between us and a steep drop. It's a test of balance and nerves. Every step counts here, but the view's absolutely worth it. Pico do Meio Dia comes into view here in the background, standing tall and majestic in the distance. If you have seen our last video, you will recognize here Pico do Meio Dia. It's one of those spots that not everyone knows about, but believe me, it's an adventure worth every second, and today it watches over us as we head up towards the ridge. As we leave the cliffside behind, the path becomes steeper. We scramble up the hillside using tree roots and branches to pull ourselves closer to the ridge. Each tree becomes a lifeline, giving us just enough leverage to keep climbing. Epic views unlocked once we hit the ridge. It's like standing on top of the world. Look at those views, ocean on one side, Madeira's peaks on the other. We want to leave you alone now with those beautiful views. For us, it was the summit today. So there is a moment of silence, just us, the wind, and endless horizons. This is the reward for stepping off the beaten path. This is what hiking in Madeira is all about.
So I hope you enjoyed all the nice views. Now we have the big challenge to find the way down. As you see, it's not so easy, but we will make it hopefully. And don't forget to follow, subscribe, and join us for the next adventure. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Pico, with more and more tourists discovering Madeira Island. We have made it to our mission to explore the hidden gems and off the beaten path trails of this beautiful island. I want to share with you the best of the best. Together with an official guide Marcio, we organize 2 hiking weeks each year, and in our accommodation home office Madeira we provide adventures for remote workers who love to explore. I'm passionate about Madeira and I'm excited to share that love with you. So join our adventures and we hope to see you soon.